Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Battlefield 6. DirectX 12 is not supported on your system, so here's what you're gonna do. You wanna go to search, type in settings. In here, you wanna go to Windows Update and make sure that you download the latest available update because you're using an older version of Windows and it's not compatible with the game. After that, you wanna open a new tab, go type in DirectX, and I'm gonna click the first link and click download, and then download it and open it and install it. Click accept agreement, then install the Bing bar and it will say complete. After that, you want to go to search, type in DX, open it, and it will say here that your DirectX version now -12. Note that if you have a older PC, it maybe only supports DirectX 11.2, not the latest 12 Ultimate. So you can ask the ChatGPT or Google, does your motherboard support, or your CPU, does it support the DirectX 12? Also, what you want to do is go here, open the NVIDIA or AMD app, go to drivers and make sure that you download the latest driver or reinstall it. Also go to system and you want to disable the G-Sync. If it's on, you want to disable it, then go to settings and you want to disable the NVIDIA overlay. And after that, all of that, you want to restart your PC. And after restart your PC, your Battlefield 6 should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix DirectX 12 not supported on your system. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.